Good evening, students. Let's continue from where we left in the last class. Let's have a look at this question. Prove that cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equal to secant 2 theta minus tan 2 theta. So, it show that this is equal to secant 2 theta minus tan 2 theta. Okay. Let me take this LHS. LHS is cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. Now here I will multiply and divide by cos theta minus sin theta. Let us multiply and divide by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Now in the numerator, here we have cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Together it will become cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta, that is cos theta minus sin theta whole square. In the denominator, cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. It looks like a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta. That's equal to, here it is of the form a minus b whole square. It looks like a minus b whole square. Expand it by using the formula a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? A square, that is cos square theta, plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab. So that is minus 2 cos theta sin theta, right? Divided by, what about cos square theta minus sin square theta? Cos square theta minus sin square theta, it is nothing but cos 2 theta. You know the formula? Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, right? So it looks like cos square a minus sin square a, that's equal to cos 2a. So here cos 2 theta. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is nothing but 1. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 cos theta sin theta, or you can also write it as 2 sin theta cos theta. What is 2 sin theta cos theta? That's nothing but sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Denominator we have cos 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, we have written it as cos 2 theta. Now I will split this into two terms. I can write this as 1 by cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. 1 by cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. 1 by cos 2 theta, that's equal to secant 2 theta, minus sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta, that's equal to tan 2 theta. So we have got the answer what we were looking for. We were asked to prove that this is equal to secant 2 theta minus tan 2 theta. Okay, let's go to the next question. Prove that secant pi by 4 minus a into secant pi by 4 plus a. Prove that secant pi by 4 minus a into secant pi by 4 plus a is equal to 2 secant 2a. It will show that this is equal to 2 secant 2a. Prove that secant pi by 4 minus a into secant pi by 4 plus a equal to 2 secant 2a. So as always, let us consider the LHS. Secant pi by 4 minus a into secant pi by 4 plus a. Okay, this is equal to, secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. So I can write secant pi by 4 minus a as 1 by cos pi by 4 minus a into secant pi by 4 plus a, that is nothing but 1 by secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. So that will be 1 by cos pi by 4 plus a. Okay, now 1 into 1, that is 1 only. So you can write 1 by cos pi by 4 minus a into cos pi by 4 plus a. Look at this denominator, cos pi by 4 minus a, or I can write this first, cos pi by 4 plus a into cos pi by 4 minus a, right? This looks like cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b. What is cos a plus b into cos a minus b? This is one result which we have studied in our earlier classes, say some 3-4 days ago. We have seen this formula, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. This is equal to what? Cos square a minus sin square b. or it's also equal to cos square b minus sin square a. Okay, that formula I want to use here. Cos, it looks like cos a plus b into cos a minus b, which is equal to cos square a minus sin square b. So that means cos square a, that is cos square pi by 4, minus sin square b. Sin square b, b means a here. So we get cos square pi by 4 minus sin square a. That's equal to 1 by cos square pi by 4, you know the value, cos pi by 4 radian, that is nothing but 45 degree, cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. So here cos square pi by 4, 1 by root 2 whole square, that will give you 1 by 2 minus sin square a. Okay, so we have 1 by 2 minus sin square a. Next, 1 by, take LCM here, 2 is the LCM, this will become 1 minus 2 sin square a. I have taken 2 as the LCM here, 1 minus 2 sin square a. Then this 2 I will take it up, this will be 2 divided by, look at this, what is 1 minus 2 sin square a? 1 minus 2 sin square a is nothing but cos 2a. For cos 2a you have several formula, cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, that's equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, that's also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, right? Do you remember that? Now that formula I am using here, 1 minus 2 sin square a is equal to cos 2a. Okay, then cos 2a I will take it to numerator, when cos theta goes to numerator it will become secant theta, right? 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. So this is equal to 2 secant 2a. 2 secant 2a, that's precisely what we want, right? Then let's have a look at the next question now. Prove that sin a plus sin 2a, sin a plus sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a plus cos a is equal to tan a. Let's show that sin a plus sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a plus cos a is equal to tan a. Okay, I will take this LHS, sin a plus sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a plus cos a, that's equal to sin a I will keep it as it is, sin 2a I will write sin 2a as 2 sin a cos a, right, divided by 1 plus cos 2a, look at this, 1 plus cos 2a, we know one formula, that is 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So in the last class we have seen this formula, 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Then what about 1 plus cos 2a? That's equal to 2 cos square a, because here when you have theta, then on RHS there is theta by 2. So here you have 2a, that means that a should be here, that angle should be a, 2a by 2, which is a, right? Or you know this formula also, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Do you know this formula? Yes, right? Bring this minus 1 to this side. What will happen? It will become plus 1. So you have 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a, right? I am writing 1 plus cos 2a as 2 cos square a plus this cos a written as it is. Then in the numerator, here you have sin a plus 2 sin a cos a. I will take sin a as a common factor. Sin a I will take common. Then what will remain here? 1 plus what will remain here? 2 cos a will remain. Right? I have taken 1 plus, I have taken sin a as common. Then here 1 will remain, and here since I have taken sin a out, 2 cos a will remain. Divided by, in the denominator, do you observe any common factor here between these two terms? Is there any common factor? Yes, you are right, cos a is the common factor. So let me take cos a as a common factor here. Then what will remain here? 2 cos a. What about the next term? Here 1 will remain. So 1 plus 2 cos a, 1 plus 2 cos a gets cancelled. What will remain then? Sin a by cos a, which is equal to tan A. That's what we want. We want to show that this is equal to tan A, and we have got the result, tan A. Okay. Next question. Prove that 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, this is what we have to prove now. Okay. 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta is equal to. Here I look at 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus, what is 1 minus cos theta? 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So then what will happen to 1 minus cos 2 theta? That will be equal to 2 sin square theta, because here when you have cos theta, then on RHS you have theta by 2 there, 2 sin square theta by 2. So here instead of theta, if you have 2 theta, then that RHS will become 2 sin square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta, I will write this as 2 sin square theta plus, what about sin 2 theta? Sin 2a formula, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. So sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta divided by, here what about 1 plus cos 2 theta? You know this formula also. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Therefore 1 plus cos 2 theta will be equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta plus sin 2 theta, you know the formula, 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta. Then in the numerator here you have 2 sin square theta and here you have 2 sin theta cos theta. What is the common factor between them? 2 sin theta. I will take 2 sin theta as common, then what will remain? Sin theta plus cos theta. Then in the denominator I will take, what is the common factor here? Here you have 2 cos square theta, here you have 2 sin theta cos theta. So I will take 2 cos theta as common. So if I take 2 cos theta as common, then what will remain? Cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta, I have taken 2 cos theta as common, here cos theta will remain, here sin theta will remain. Okay. Here you have sin theta plus cos theta, here you have cos theta plus sin theta. These two gets cancelled. Here 2 gets cancelled. Then we have sin theta divided by cos theta, that's equal to tan theta. Okay. Next question. Prove that cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta, cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Prove that cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay. Cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta, that's equal to, I will write cos power 4 theta as cos square theta whole square, and similarly sin power 4 theta is nothing but sin square theta whole square. Cos power 4 theta is cos square theta whole square, sin power 4 theta is sin square theta whole square. This looks like a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, right? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here a means cos square theta. This is a square minus b square. B means sin square theta. So a plus b into a minus b. A minus b cos square theta minus sin square theta. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. What about cos square theta minus sin square theta? That is nothing but cos 2 theta. Cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. 1 into cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay? Then next question, prove that sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta, sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin square 2 theta. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2 theta. Okay. I'll take this LHS, sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta, that is equal to, I will write this as sin square theta whole cube. Sin power 6 theta is nothing but sin square theta whole cube. Then cos power 6 theta, I will write this as cos square theta whole cube. Cos power 6 theta is equal to cos square theta whole cube. Okay. Now this looks like a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube, you know the formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to, what's the formula? Can anybody tell me? Yes, you're right. This is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That formula we know. That formula I am using here. In place of a we have sin square theta, and in place of b we have cos square theta. So a plus b, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta into a square. What is a square? Sin square theta whole square minus ab. ab means sin square theta cos square theta plus b square. b square means cos square theta whole square. b is cos square theta, so b square is cos square theta whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 into sin square theta whole square. I will write that as sin power 4 theta minus this is sin square theta cos square theta, okay, plus cos square theta whole square, that is cos power 4 theta. Okay. Now sin power 4 theta, again we could have written there only, sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta cos square theta, right? This is what we have. I have written this first and after that I have written this first. This sum, will it be equal to 1? No. Say sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here don't think that it will be equal to 1 square. It is not. It is not sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. It's sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. You cannot write this sum as 1. However, what I can do here is, it looks like a square plus b square. That a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Can I do this? Because as we know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And here minus 2ab is there, 2ab gets cancelled, so you will get that a square plus b square, right? So I would like to write a square plus b square as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a plus b whole square, I am just looking at these two, don't worry about this. So I am just looking at these two, it looks like a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a plus b whole square, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, that is 2 sin square theta cos square theta, okay, minus sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, that minus sin square theta cos square theta from here. This is a square plus b square. I am writing it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay. Now what about this? Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and 1 square is of course 1. is equal to 1 minus, this is 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos theta minus sin square theta cos square theta. Sorry, it will be 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. But what they have asked, we were asked to prove that it is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2 theta, right? Now here I will write like this. I am multiplying and dividing by 4. Okay. After that, I can write this 4 sin square theta cos square theta as 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. 2 square will give you 4, sin theta whole square is sin square theta, cos theta whole square is cos square theta. Okay. So 4 sin square theta cos square theta, we can write it as 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. That's equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 into, what is 2 sin theta cos theta? 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. It's like 2 sin a cos a, that's equal to sin 2a, right? So this is sin 2 theta, whole square is there. So it will become sin square 2 theta. Sin square 2 theta. So 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2 theta. Okay. Let's have a look at the next question now. Prove that sin A into sin 60 plus A into sin 60 degree minus A is equal to, prove that sin A into sin 60 plus A into sin 60 minus A is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. Okay, so I'll consider this sin A into sin 60 plus A into sin 60 minus A. This is equal to, this sin A I will retain as it is, into, look at this, sin 60 plus A into sin 60 minus A. It is of the form, when you look at that expression, whether any formula comes to your mind, sin 60 plus A into sin 60 minus A. This looks like sin A plus B into sin A minus B. What is sin A plus B into sin A minus B? Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. This is one formula, that's equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B, whereas cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. Okay, here sin A plus B into sin A minus B, that's equal to sin square A minus sin square B. You know this formula. So now sin square A is 60 degree here, minus sin square B, in place of B we have A here. Okay, that's equal to sin A into sin square 60 degree. What is the value of sin 60 degree? Sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 4 minus sin square A. 3 by 4 minus sin square A. That's equal to sin A into, take LCM, 4 is the LCM. This will become 3 minus 4 sin square A. Okay, 3 minus, I have taken 4 as LCM, so it will become 3 minus 4 sin square A divided by 4. Take the sin A inside. So that's equal to 1 by 4 into, take that sin A inside, sin A into 3, it will become 3 sin A minus sin A into 4 sin square A. Sin A into 4 sin square A, that's equal to 4 sin cube A. Then look at this, 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A is equal to sin 3A. That's what we want, 1 by 4 sin 3A. Okay. I'll give you another problem of the same kind as homework for you. You can try. on your own. That is, prove that 4 cos A into cos 120 degree plus A into cos 120 degree minus A is equal to cos 3A. Okay, cos 120, 4 cos A into cos 120 plus A into cos 120 minus A is equal to cos 3A. Here what you should do is, of course, take LHS. Here between these two, use the formula cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square. Use this formula and simplify, very similar to the previous problem, and simplify, you will get that answer. Okay, that I'll leave it to you as an exercise. Let's have a look at the next question. Prove that sin cube x plus sin 3x divided by sin x plus cos cube x minus cos 3x divided by cos x is equal to 3. Sin cube x plus sin 3x by sin x plus cos cube x minus cos 3x by cos x equal to 3. Okay, I'll take this LHS, sin cube x plus sin 3x by sin x plus cos cube x minus cos 3x divided by cos x. That's equal to, here sin cube x will retain as it is. Sin 3x we will use the formula. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x divided by sin x we have. Okay, plus here cos cube x will retain as it is. In place of cos 3x, there we shall use the formula cos 3a. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So this will become 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x divided by cos x. Okay, then so first I will write this 3 sin x. Then sin cube x minus 4 sin cube x, that will give you minus 3 sin cube x by sin x plus here cos cube x minus 4 cos cube x plus minus into minus, it will become plus 3 cos x. So I will write that first, 3 cos x. After that cos cube x minus 4 cos cube x, that will give you minus 3 cos cube x divided by cos x. Okay, next, in the first two terms, here you observe 3 sin x minus 3 sin cube x. I will take 3 sin x as common. If I take 3 sin x as common, what will remain? 1 minus sin square x will remain. I have taken 3 sin x as common, here 1 will remain, and here 3 sin x I have taken out, so sin square x will remain. In the denominator, what do you have? Sin x. Plus, in the same way, here I will take 3 cos x as common. If I take 3 cos x as common, what will remain? 1 minus cos square x will remain. If I take 3 cos x as common, here 3 cos x if I take out, 1 will remain. Here, after taking 3 cos x, cos square x will remain. This sin x gets cancelled. Here cos x gets cancelled. Right? Then, that's equal to 3 into, what is 1 minus sin square x? 1 minus sin square x is nothing but cos square x plus 3 into 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x. I will take 3 as common. 3 into cos square x plus sin square x. 3 into cos square x plus sin square x. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. Next. Next question. Tan 45 degree plus A in plus tan 45 degree minus A is equal to 2 secant 2A. 2 secant 2A. Okay. So tan 45 degree plus A plus tan 45 minus A. You know this formula, tan pi by 4 minus A, tan pi by 4 plus A. This is equal to 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A. We have seen this result already. And tan pi by 4 minus A, that's equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan A. This is the formula we know. Tan pi by 4 plus A is equal to 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A, and tan pi by 4 minus A is equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A. Okay. Here pi by 4 in terms of radians 45 degree, in terms of degrees it is 45 degree. Tan 45 plus A, we can write this as 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A, plus what about this tan 45 minus A, that is nothing but 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan A. Okay. Now we have to simplify. I have to take LCM here. Here 1 minus tan A is there, here 1 plus tan A is there. So together I will take the LCM as 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan A, right? 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan A is the LCM. So this numerator will become 1 plus tan A whole square, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan A, plus 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan A, that will be 1 minus tan A whole square. Okay. The numerator is A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is equal to 2 into A square plus B square, right? Because A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB, and A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. When I add them, that 2AB gets cancelled. A square plus B square plus A square plus B square will give you 2 into A square plus B square. So this will become 2 into A square, that is 1 square, plus B square, which is tan square A, divided by 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan A, 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan A, A plus A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square, 1 minus tan square A. That's equal to 2 into, I'll take this to denominator, I'll write like this, 2 into 1 divided by 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. This 1 plus tan square A I have taken down to the denominator, so it will become 1 by 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Now look at this factor, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. This is equal to what? It's equal to cos 2A, right? So this is equal to 2 divided by cos 2A. Okay, that cos 2A you bring it to numerator, it will become secant 2A. So you have 2 secant 2A. Okay. So afterwards, after this, I will give you one problem as homework, that is prove that cot A minus tan A, cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot 2A. Cot A minus tan A is equal to cot 2A. You try this problem, this is a homework for you. Or okay, with this I'll stop today's class, we'll continue tomorrow. Or do you want one more problem as homework? Okay, you can take this. Prove that cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to tan 45 degree minus theta. Cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to tan 45 degree minus theta. Okay. So students, with this we'll stop today's class. In the next class again I would like to solve some more problems on multiple and submultiple angle formulae. So as you have now realized that you need to remember all of those formulae without which you cannot solve any of these problems. You should remember all those formulae. Earlier I had asked you to maintain a list of all the formulae and go through that list every day, okay, so that it will be easy for you to solve problems. Okay, thank you.